Hello, friends, and welcome back to a new price prediction update on JASMY, where we will be taking a look at some of the things that are recently happening with JASMY and why I do believe, in the future in JASMY, but as well keeping it real with you guys and just stating some of the things that I see with JASMY as well for the future. So, if you like these types of videos, guys, it would mean a lot if you can like and subscribe. Okay, so let's take a look at the recent updates that we had with JASMY and the recent price prediction video we did on it. So we knew that there was a resistance at 0.0222, which was very crucial because we saw the imbalance occur here, okay? But keep in mind that these levels as well, we were under the 50 EMA, okay? So the trend was overall in a downtrend, okay? As you can see here, we were overall in a downtrend. We had imbalances that needed to be filled, okay? We saw price also break out of the 50 EMA, as you can see here. If we do zoom in from the previous video, and then retest the levels of 50 EMA and creating a support there, which was great, okay? Because we created a support. We were also respecting the 50 EMA level. We were overall also in the uptrend, as you can see here, which is great. Okay, and there could have been a potential to rise back to the levels of imbalance of 0.0214 and also 0.0222. Okay, so these levels was great. JASMY was going great and everything, but take a look at this, guys. Okay, we broke out of the 50 EMA again. Okay, so as you can see here, we broke out of the 50 EMA for JASMY in the 50 minutes before retesting back at the levels here and seeing a lot of wicks here, okay? So you see the bullish momentum here is cooling down a lot here, okay? So volume is decreasing a lot, as you can see here. Volume for the bearish momentum is coming in, and as you can see here, a lot of wicks occurring at the 50 MA, which was indicating that price couldn't go further to the upside, okay? We also had levels of imbalance here at 0.0192 that needed to be filled, as well as the levels of 0.0189, okay? So take a look at what happened here, guys, okay? So in my opinion, where I see JASMY going right now, it's a falling knife, okay? So what I mean by that is the overall trend for JASMY is just in a downtrend, okay? We are creating levels of support, as you can see here from previous videos. We are creating a level of support, and then what I want to see for continuation for JASMY is create a level of support, but then overall reverse the trade. Okay, so come back to the levels of resistance that we had before and test that. Okay, but as you can see here, a lot of bearish momentum is coming in for JASMY. And overall, we are breaking levels here. So we create a support, then break it again. Create a support, break it again. Okay. So overall, we are in a downtrend. You can see the 50 MA as well. We are close to it. Okay, so this is a good sign. We are closer to it that we could see potential reversals in the future since we are closer to it. And once you see the 50 MA very far away from it, you know that the trend is very heavy there. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We could see that once 50 MA was very far from it, we could see the rise of bearish momentum occurring, as you can see here. Okay, we were also very oversold at these levels, and that's why we went back to here, and we saw also a double bottom, as you can see, at 0.0181, which was very crucial. Okay, but overall, JASMY unfortunately is in the downtrend again at the 15 minutes. We are down 7% as well, which is not great. Okay, but just keeping it real with you guys, it's not great. I'm in JASMY as well, which is it's not frustrating because I'm in it for the long term. No matter what, every project that I'm in it for the long term. But I want to see volume increase again for JASMY. Okay, we are a little bit far away from the 50 MA, which indicating that price can still reverse again and continue to the downside. As you can see here, we created a level of support. We had a level here, as you can see here, from the level that we created before, which was about 0.0189. Okay, so look what happened at these levels here, guys. Okay, if we do zoom in, we could see that this level was very crucial because look what happened here. Okay, there was a lot of wicks here in the bullish momentum, a lot of wicks, not one, not two, not three, several wicks here, indicating that price is trying to go to the upside again at the level of support as we saw before here. But unfortunately, it couldn't hold on to it. Okay, we saw the same pattern as well. Once we zoom in here, we could see the same pattern occur again at these levels where the bullish momentum was there. We see the same candles. Okay, same candles that occurred at the same level of support, which indicated that there was going to be a reversal here to the to the downside since the bullish momentum couldn't hold on to it at the 50 MA. We couldn't continue to the upside. We also had this big wick here indicating that volume is coming in for the bearish side. And so as a reminder that this same pattern happened again at the support, okay, which indicated that bullish momentum couldn't hold on to this level of support, where we created imbalance there. Therefore, price came down, retested, and continued to drop. But we also created here, as you can see, at the level of support that we talked about. There was another key level of support that occurred here. Since we created a double bottom, we also had a retest here. Okay, take a look at this retest at recent support levels that we had before at 0.0188. This level was very crucial because I wanted to see price break out of there, retest back at the levels of 0.0189 before retesting back, to the 50 MA. Okay, we have a lot of testing in the 50 MA, but overall for JASMY, it's in a downtrend. So please be cautious, okay? If you wanted to get into JASMY, just know that short term you're gonna be down, okay? Because we are overall in a downtrend, and unless that downtrend reverses, then I see JASMY just continuing down. I like to keep it real with you, with my viewers and my community as well. But overall, this is what I see for JASMY, okay? Hopefully, in the next coming days, a rally in Bitcoin as well can come in. We can see price for altcoins and projects continue to rise, and bullish momentum comes in. But overall, you take a look at the 50 minutes as well. We can see overall we're just in a downtrend. Okay, we haven't broke levels here before. Last time we broke that level and we saw a big wick occur in the recent highs was on, as you can see here, on April 7th. Okay, so it's been some time now. Okay, so just keep in mind 15 minutes. Hopefully, we create a level of support. If we continue to this downtrend, hopefully we can create a level of support at these levels here at about 0.016, and then we can finally break out of this bearish momentum that we see here. So just a quick update on JASMY, guys. Hope you guys like these types of analysis and video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.